Hello, this is Bright, popular known as Design with Bright, like you all know. And mind you, we'll be rebranding very shortly, but I'll let you know. I'm just letting you know so that you will not be taken unaware. So I'm really excited and I'm happy to be showing my face for the first time on this channel. And guys, I can't explain how excited I am. And for that reason, I'll be doing a little giveaway at the end of this video. So make sure you do watch this video to the end. And what I have for you guys is a design. I want to show you how I designed this particular flyer. It's a very simple flyer, and I'll give a link to the project's file, the document I use, every element down to the font I use. The link will be on the description. All you need to do, click the link, download and follow along. I repeat, follow along, because one thing with design, you have to do it while I'm teaching you. You do it so you be used to it. But if you don't, you might just learn it, sleep, and that's all. You forget the whole thing. So if you are new to this channel and you're interested in making eye-catching flyers, design like sports flyers, birthday flyers, church flyers, and many others, subscribe, like, and also comment. And also, if you know those who are also interested, please share this video to them, as I'll be taking us, at least I want to be making a video. We'll start from that, a video every week, well detailed video. I'll teach you everything from start to finish. So why not share the video? Tell your friends about this channel, Design with Bright. For now, it is Design with Bright. We'll be going with that, but along the line, we're going to change it. So with that being said, I want us to dive into the video. Thank you. So you want to create a new file, a new document, and this time we are working with, let's say, 180 by 180. Right, so you set yours to that 180 by 180 pixel, everything remains the same. Then you create, wait a little bit, then you create, and then so first thing we want to do, we want to cut out the image, our image we'll have. So we have the image in the folder. The folder you just downloaded. If you have, then you get the picture there. We want to take out the background of the picture, so you just drag and drop. That's the easiest way I do mine. So I don't know the way you do yours. I just place embedded, but me, I'm doing drag and drop. And you go to select. Under select your object, and we'll wait for Photoshop magic. So you can see we have cut out the image, selected the image, and we'll just create a max layer. So we have the background cut out from the main image. So most of the time I want to convert to smart object to sometimes maintain the quality. Yeah, so, and it also reduces the size. We'll put our background. That's our background. Every of this element I use are in the folder, so you just check it out. Just make sure you download and you follow along. So put our background. Yeah, so one thing I'll do is bring the image, our image. Don't worry about the coloring, we'll work on that. You can see that it's not really blending well with the background. So I'm going to increase our image size a bit, take it down there. Yeah, I think it's better. Just do it the way you think is best for you. The background I want to blur, it has some Gaussian blur. So you just go to your filter, Gaussian blur, and set it the way you want. I'm using 7.4 here. So that's that. Okay, so we want to bring this gold cycle, gold frame. So it's a PNG file, so we don't need to cut out any background. It's a PNG file, we just need to drag and drop, you get. So set it to the position that is best for you. Then pay close attention to what I'm about to do here. I want to write happy birthday, but in a special way. I saw it online and I think I just like the way they did it, and since then I've been using it, so it's not bad. It's not bad to try to do what others are doing. It's never bad at all. So most of the time it's good you do it and add your own way, your own style to it, your own feel, you know what I'm saying? That's your feel to it. So scale. So now this color, let's give it a little, so it's not really that black, you understand? It's not really that black. And after that you convert this. Before that we have to take away the other P and the Y, make them independent. The P we are taking it away, then the Y will be independent, you get. So I just have Y there. You remember, you know what I did? I duplicated it. I duplicate it and you understand, just write the Y. Then we want to convert this, right click and convert to shape. Right click and convert to shape object. Yeah. And you want to use this, your, what's the name again? Your path selection tool. Yeah. So because we want to extend the P, the cycle there, we want to increase the length of that P there. So let's go with the direction selection tool. So yes. So you hold your shift while dragging, so you have a good, the proportion are equal. So what I did to duplicate, you hold Alt, click and drag. That's your duplicate. Hold Alt, click and drag. So that's what I did on the Y, because we need the birthday there. So we have the same measurements of fonts, we have the same color, so the same style, the same font style. So that's why I use that. Control T. Yeah, I'm going to align that to fit. Make it perfect. Yeah. Okay. So what next? You can shortcut to lock a particular object is your control and question mark. I think you need that, your control and question mark. So we want to merge this, we want to link them together, so whatever I'm doing to one happens to other, but that's the scaling and the move, but color is different. And I hope you get what I mean. So as I'm scaling, the whole thing scales together, but for color you have to do that individually. So I think that size we need to increase it a bit. Yeah, correct. Pick your ellipse tool. You want to have those pictures the way you see it in the picture I showed you. So we want to have it that way. So use your ellipse tool, increase the size. So we are going to make use of layer mask very well here. So pay close attention and just do as I do. Make sure you look closely. Please, if you have any question, just ask the question in the comment section below, and I will do best to answer every question, even if it means doing a tutorial. I will. So just pay close attention. Okay. Yeah. So I just want it to be equal, to be in the middle. And reduce the scale, holding down Alt, so it maintains the same position while scaling. This one too, holding down Alt, so you get. Okay, let's change the color so it's clear. You can give it any color of your choice, because we are actually not using the color here. I just want it to be different so I see clearly what I'm doing. I think I still need to reduce this a bit. So I pick my triangle. I want to use my triangle. So you can use your line, you can use your pen too, but I'm using my triangle. So I want to get that cut. You understand? Just watch closely what I do. You understand? I want to get that cut. You understand? So I have to rotate it, flip, you right click, and you right click, then you flip. Right click on it when selected, then you what am I saying? You right click on it after free transforming it, so you can flip. So now you hold your control and click to select, control and click to select, click inside the box. Then after doing that, you select on, after doing that you select your ellipse tool, then click layer mask, add layer mask, so you can see that. Then you do Ctrl I to inverse it. Okay, no, yeah. So you can see what I'm saying. You just off your rectangle, so you have your mark. So you want to duplicate it and delete others. So we have the same circle, the same dimension, the same proportion. The cycles are the same, so you don't want to draw a new cycle. You get, just change the color to be able to differentiate them. Yeah. So the same triangle, we'll just shift it, rotate it, so we have another cut here. want to off the triangle to see what we have. Yeah, so you can see we are getting there gradually. Change the color too. It depends on what color you want, so it's just for us to be able to see what we want and how it looks. So whatever color you choose, but I prefer green. So it's pretty the same process. Okay, now I will have to draw my own shape because the triangle is no longer useful here. So you get your pen to change it to shape just like I did, then you create your shape the way you want it. Click. Yeah, correct. So that's the shape we'll use. So you want to control click again to select, then on the third circle add the layer marks. So add the layer marks, then off the shape we created. You can delete it if you want. So I want to add stroke. To our shapes. Gradient. There's a gradient I've created before in the past, so you just select that. So this is way too big. I want to reduce the size. Yeah, pen is better. So what you do is just drag holding Alt, so you have a duplicate of it. Drag holding Alt and put on other layers. So hold Alt, click and drag, Alt, click and drag. So we have that. All those boxes are where we'll have our pictures. So I'm going to add Topaz plugin. If you need this plugin, please comment in the section and I will give it to us. So I think it should be among the giveaway. So just stay tuned. I'll send it and all the key. So that's how I use it to edit my pictures. You can see the difference. This is the before and this is the after. So let's add a picture. Now I need to click this shape so that once I add the picture, it will just be above it. So there I can create a clipping marks, and that will be easy for me and easy for you if you're following along. So you can explore with other picture, not necessarily the picture in the folder. You can get your picture or maybe someone's picture. You can see
create clipping marks. Right click, you see clipping marks there. So I want to bring the second picture. Scale for this picture will have to be trickish a bit, because you can see that it's not so wide to cover the blue part of the shape, but there's something we can do. We can just use the color of the picture. Double click to change the color, and use your color picker to pick from the picture. So we have that blend, you can see. Want to create a fade down there, so I'm using my gradient. Just pick a dark shade from the background. Sorry, what am I doing? So just take it above is a mistake, so just take it above. Double click and drag to adjust. This pops better. So I basically just added the same color to the other edge of the ingredient. So there's this, should I call it sun rays or something, this light. To give that light effect, click it, put it above all layers, and change blending mode to screen or lighting. I prefer the screen. So you can just explore to see the one you want. Now duplicate, Ctrl T for transform, right click, then flip vertical, flip again horizontal. Correct. So here we go. We're almost getting to the end. I hope you are following along, and again, if you have any question, please do yourself good to ask in the comment section. You can see our coloring set is even blending already. So what we want to do is and to write the caption. That's where the caption will be. Change the text right up to the text style to Time New Roman, the popular font. So I'm gonna have yellow for that. I have yellow color for the stroke. Reduce the width, so let's set 35. That color, I want to have that color red. At least red still relates with our color. So we'll have our date there. So this text is I download from free pick, so it's a template already. You just have to change your font and update it. So it's already in the folder, so you get it there. You don't have to go download again, you already have it. So just double click, open in Photoshop, then so you want to open where it says text here, your text here, then double click on it. So I want to change our font to, what's that font again? Oh yes, let's use the Billy site. So double click to change to edit it. Pop star. I don't think this is the font. So let's get that font. No. Yeah, so we got it. Historiana. So that's the font. I'm gonna make this 00. No tracking. Yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial. So you you scale. Sorry, don't mind the way the Photoshop is behaving. It's because I'm recording and at the same time and I'm using Photoshop, so it's kind of heavy on the system. So you want to off the background. What I always do is I check if there's shadow and I off the shadow, because I want to give it my own shadow and my own direction, you understand? So this one doesn't have shadow, so you just create a new layer and hold Control Alt Shift then then E, Control Alt Shift E. So it's like it snap the whole layer in just that one layer. So now you can convert this to smart objects. Remember, Control Alt Shift then E to snap it. Make sure you off your background, so you drag and drop into your workspace, into our work. So we have that there. You want to scale it down a bit. So scale it down. Yeah. Press enter. You want to add a little bit of shadow, drop shadow, so it's obvious you get drop shadow. So guys, this is not necessarily the best, but because it's a tutorial, so I want you guys to just follow along, and maybe you can even make your own better. So because of the glow, so the shadow is kind of somehow. Yeah. So to lock layer again, Control question mark. That's what I just did. So basically we are done, almost done with this design. Okay, let's just add what is it called again? Confetti, they call it, or something. All those ribbons. So all those ribbons, the file is in Illustrator. So if you don't have Illustrator, please download in Illustrator so you can follow well. If you open it with Illustrator, I downloaded it from FreePic, so this is where you get the confetti to use. You just double click on it to isolate it, because it is group right now. So you just double click, isolate, drag and drop. What's happening? I think I need to do that again. Yeah, finally. So you just drag and drop, increase the size or reduce the size, duplicate it, put it around, so it just looks like, so it looks like it's falling. I just need one so I can duplicate, you understand, and put it around. So we want to write make a courtesy. Courtesy is from the wife. So just write your courtesy, and I think we are almost done with the design. So just place that at the right position. Want to change the color. Yeah, so basically we are done with this design. Save your work. Always remember to save your work. You can imagine I've not saved this work since. Let's imagine. Always remember, to save your work. So save your work, and we are done with this design. So one last thing I'll do is create a vibrant. I always do this to my design to give it that pop, to make it pop. You get vibrance is also used for color grading. So you just do it the way you think is best for you. So give it a uniform blending or so that's before and after. Cool.
Wow, I hope you followed all through the tutorial, and now you must have known how to design a simple birthday card. So if you have not subscribed again, please, I want you to subscribe, like, and also comment. If you have a question, very important, comment, and I'll be very happy to reply every single question. You might need a tutorial on a particular design or something. You can just post the picture, or even just tell me what you want us to work on next, and I'll be happy to do that. Okay, so I talked about giveaway, and if you're interested in this giveaway, just drop a comment in the comment section below, and I'll send you the link. I'll reply you the link where you can get templates, all the kinds of item I use, the PNG files, the font, down to the font. I'll get them and send to you. And as you follow me more, you'll get a lot of all these items, all these elements I use for my designs. Thank you once again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.